logistics is the process of strategically managing the efficient flow and storage of raw materials in process, stock, and finished goods from point of origin to point of consumption. This entire topic today is part of your 4Ps of marketing, which is place or placement or distribution, which is sometimes what they also call it. There are several interesting trends in the supply chain management system. One, outsourcing. This we've been seeing for a while now, in particular contract logistics, third-party logistics, as well as offshoring. What you may have noticed over the years is there's a lot of people that are delivering goods to you. In particular, when you buy something from online, there could be contractors and subcontractors who work for companies like Toll, Linfox, or even Star Trek, who end up delivering the products from the warehouse or distribution center to your property. Now, to be entirely honest, the really exciting thing that is probably more likely to happen in the next few years is drone-based delivery systems. For example, did you guys know that in East Africa, there are some regions where the road network is not great, so they currently use drones to drop off medical supplies as well as aid. In the United States, some companies have already begun testing for the use of drones in distribution products to the end consumer, so that's quite exciting. As far back as 2014, DHL was looking at unmanned aerial vehicles in logistics, basically using drones for delivery. Something that I found quite interesting the other day, people are using Uber drivers to deliver goods. So as people are working from home and they need to get paperwork signed ASAP, rather than going to the post office, they just call an Uber driver and put the destination of where the document or product needs to go. And then they get the Uber driver to quite essentially deliver it, which I think is pretty cool. And maybe even an untapped potential market for Uber, especially in times like this. A materials handling system is a method of moving inventory into, within, and out of a warehouse. Automated material handling systems decrease product handling, ensuring accurate placement of products, and improve the accuracy of order pricing and the rates of on-time shipment. Basically, what that means is if we can automate the whole material handling system, the warehousing system, instead of getting humans to do it, then we are going to be able to more accurately calculate exactly how much everything's going to cost, as well as reduce error. In reality, machines or computers don't get tired, whereas humans, we do. And the more tired we get, the more errors we are prone to make. For example, did you know Woolworths and Coles have a robot warehouse, which is purpose-built automated warehousing in Truganina? This fully automated warehouse ships goods to its network of 119 stores across Australia and directly to online customers. So this automated warehouse is fitted with 14 kilometers of conveyor belts and centered around a 45-meter high storage tower. The warehouse is Woolworths' $560 million bet on the power of automation.